Hey everybody, it's Matty B here. Today's video is we're going to go through a really quick Thousand Suns colour scheme using Pro Acryl. So we're going to test them out and see what I think of them at the same time. So yeah, let's begin. So we're going to use Dark Sea Ben, Dark Jade, and then just Jade for this colour scheme. So I'm going to start off with a black Prime Mini for this video. I'm going to give it a base coat of Dark Sea Ben. Now this is part of the signature collection from Pro Acryl. It's satin. It's absolutely gorgeous colour. It dries lovely. Yeah, so I'm going to go with this as for my base. I wouldn't worry too much about the trim and all the rest of the areas at this moment in time, because we can actually go back into it later and just touch it up with a black paint as we go along. It's just about getting the base coat on here as quick as possible so we can move on to the next step. Right, so on this step we're going to use a 50-50 of Dark Sea Ben and Dark Jade. Now you want to paint just the top 3/4 of the knee joint and the first 75% of the legs and arms that are facing the light source. Yeah, that's what I'm doing here. As you can see, lift a good bit at the bottom and just painting the first 75%, not worrying about going around the corners. On this stage we're going to be using just Dark Jade, just bringing it up ever so slightly on the percentage of what we're going to be painting, just to help with the transition between the darkest colour and the lightest colour. That's exactly what I'm doing here on the leg joint right now, just painting the first, say 60% of the leg. Now this is the best part, when we actually start using Jade. I absolutely love this colour. It pops, it's gorgeous, I can't say enough good things about it. This is a 50-50 mix of Jade and Dark Jade. We're going to start with the top 50% and on the leg the front 50%. Start build that really sort of bright colour of the Thousand Suns that we know and love. Okay, so now take 100% Jade and start painting a circle on the top 25 to 30% of the knee and leg, where the light is directly hitting it. Now remember to think of each body part as a shape. The knee, the chest, the head as circles, and the arms and legs, and also sort of the stomach area as cylinders. This will help you when it comes to light placement. So as you can see, add the colour, and this is going to be the main colour we're going to see on the armour once we're finished. Okay, so we're coming up to the final stages now, so we're just going to add 50-50 white to Jade, and this is going to be probably the top 10-15% of the knee, and the same for the leg. These will be your brightest high points. We are going to add a little bit of extra white, so this is going to be 2 parts white to 1 part Jade, just to building up that final colour to really make it sort of look like it's shiny and it pops. There we go, just make sure the top is nice and done. I dab it just so it sort of blends, but that's just me. There we go, add our final highlight with white. Okay, so we're going to skip and see some pictures, but yeah, here we go. So here you have it in its full glory. 2 pictures, one with a gold trim, one without. If I was to paint this to the army, I'd spend a little bit more time just finessing the blends, but apart from that, this video is just to show you how easy it is to get the desired effect. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and leave a comment down below. Until the next one, bye.